Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. Next, we will go to another problem in the same section 3. Problem number 6. The problem is find the incenter of the triangle formed by the following straight lines. In this sixth problem, we have two more sub-problems. In the first problem is the straight line equations are x plus 1 equal to 0, 3x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 and 5x plus 12y equal to 27. This is our given problem. In this problem we have to find out the incenter of the given triangle. For finding incenter, we have to given the straight line equations. That means the sides of the triangle are given. For finding incenter, we have the formula I equal to ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, comma ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. This is for finding incenter formula. Here a, small b, small c are the distances of the sides. For finding all these values, we have the vertices of a triangle. For finding vertices, we can solve the side equations. For that, this is the, let it be, given triangle is ABC. This is first equation, second equation and third equation. Given sides are x plus 1 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. 3x minus 4y equal to 5. Then 3x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. And the third equation is 5x plus 12y equal to 27. From this, 5x plus 12y minus 27 equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Then by solving equations 1 and 2 we get B, 2 and 3 we get C, and by solving equations 1 and 3 we get the A. By solving all these sides, we can find out the vertices of a triangle first. By solving equations first 1 and 2. By solving equations 1 and 2, we get the vertex B. These equations are all solved by the rule of cross multiplication. The method is, for finding this, we can write first y coefficient, constant term, x coefficient, and again y coefficient values. From first equation, the y coefficient value, there is no y coefficient, then y coefficient is 0, constant term is 1, x coefficient 1, y coefficient 0. In second equation, y coefficient 4 minus 5, 3 minus 4. The calculation part is x by 0 plus 4 equal to y by 3 plus 5 equal to 1 by minus 4 minus 0. Then x by 4 equal to y by 8 equal to 1 by minus 4. Then x by 4 equal to minus 1 by 4. Then x equal to 1. And again y by 8 equal to minus 1 by 4. 4 1 ja 4 get cancelled. 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. Y equal to minus 2. Here minus 1, sorry. Next, the vertex B equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. Next again, by solving equations 2 and 3, we get the vertex C. Y coefficient, constant term, x coefficient, again y coefficient. In second equation, the y coefficient is minus 4, constant term minus 5, x coefficient 3, y coefficient minus 4. Similarly, in the third equation, 12 minus 27, 5, 12. Then the calculation is x by minus 4 into minus 27 plus 108, minus into minus plus 12 into 5, 60, equal to y by minus 25 plus 81 equal to 1 by 36 plus 20. X by 168 equal to y by 56 equal to 1 by 56. Then from this, x by 168 equal to 1 by 56. 56 1s are 56 3s are. Then x equal to 3. Similarly, y by 56 equal to 1 by 56. 56 get cancelled. Then y equal to 1. Therefore, the vertex C equal to 3, 1. Then finally, by solving equations 1 and 3, we get the vertex A. For that, y coefficient, constant term, x coefficient, y coefficient values. But from first equation, the y coefficient values 0, 1, 1, 0. Third equation, 12 minus 27, 5, 12. Calculation is x by 0 minus 12 equal to y by 5 plus 27 equal to 1 by 12 minus 0. Then x by minus 12 equal to y by 32 equal to 1 by 12. Then x by minus 12 equal to 1 by 12. 12 get cancelled. Then x equal to minus 1. Y by 32 equal to 1 by 12. Then from this, by cancel with 4. 4 3s are 4 8s are. Y equal to 8 by 3. Therefore, the vertex A equal to minus 1, 8 by 3. From this, we have all the vertices of a triangle. Then next, we have to find out the lengths of the sides. Therefore, the vertices of a triangle are vertices of a triangle are A equal to minus 1, 8 by 3, B equal to minus 1, minus 2, and C equal to 3, 1. Then we have to find out the lengths. First, small a equal to the length of the side BC. We know the formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then here x1, y1, x2, y2 are taken from the points B and C. Then square root of, then after substituting 3 plus 1 whole square plus 1 plus 2 whole square. Then a equal to square root of 3 plus 1 4 square plus 1 plus 2 3 square, that is equal to root 16 plus 9, that equal to root 25. Root 25 value we know 5. Similarly, B equal to length of side AC, square root of same formula, then 3 plus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 8 by 3 whole square is equal to square root of 3 plus 1 4 square plus, here take 3 as LCM, then 3 minus 8 by 3 whole square, that is equal to square root of 16 plus 3 minus 8 minus 5 whole square 25 by 3 square value 9, that is equal to square root of, here we take 9 as LCM, then 16 into 9 is 144 plus 25 by 9, that is equal to root 144 plus 25 169 by 9 by removing the root 13 by 3. 13 square value 169 and 9 value 3 square. This is B value. Finally, C equal to the length of the side BC, square root of BC, minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 8 by 3 whole square. Then minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, that is 0, that is equal to square root of 0 plus, here take 3 as LCM, minus 6 minus 8 whole square, that is equal to square root of minus 6 minus 8 value is minus 14 by 3 whole square. Then C equal to, here square is there, minus becomes plus 14 by 3 whole square, because the length does not in negative form, square root get cancelled, that is 14 by 3. This is the C value. Then next we have to find out the incenter. Incenter, capital I, equal to, the formula is AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 by A plus B plus C, comma AY1 plus BY2 plus CY3 by A plus B plus C. This is the formula of the incenter, that is equal to, here substitute the all values. A means the value is 5 into x1 value minus 1 B plus 13 by 3 into x2 value minus 1 plus C value 14 by 3 into x3 value 3 by A plus B plus C, means 5 plus 13 by 3 plus 14 by 3, comma A means 5 into y1 value 8 by 3 plus B value 13 by 3 into y2 value minus 2 plus C value 14 by 3 into y3 value 1 by 5 plus 13 by 3 plus 14 by 3, that is equal to, here in numerator we have to take 3 as LCM, 5 3s are 15, 15 into minus 1 minus 15 minus 13 plus 14 3s are 42, whole divided by, here also take 3 as LCM, 15 plus 13 plus 14, comma here also take 3 as LCM, 40 minus 26 plus 14 by 15 plus 13 plus 14 by 3. Here also take 3 as LCM, 3 and also 3 get cancelled, that is equal to minus 15 minus 13 plus 42. The calculation part is 14 by 15 plus 13 plus 14 equal to 42, comma 40 minus 26 plus 14 equal to 28 by 42 equal to 14 ones are 14 threes are 14 twos are 14 threes are. Then in center 1 by 3 comma 2 by 3. Therefore in center I equal to 1 by 3 comma 2 by 3. This is the in center. This is our required problem solution.
Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.